something very special. It is my yearly Sin City Soaps and Candles birthday box. I don't know why, but they have been so kind as to, for the past couple of years, send me a birthday box on my birthday. And so my birthday is next week, and so I got my box. I'm so excited. It actually has my birthday on the package. Happy birthday all over the package. And then on the other side, it has a big hole, because that's what USPS does. Anyway, so I'm so excited to see what's in here because I have no clue since I didn't order. I don't know what's in here, but I love you guys for continuing to humor me on my birthday and send me a present. You really don't have to, but I'm so grateful that you do. All right, so I'm breaking the seal. I don't know why my nose is running at all the wrong times. Here is a card. It says, happy birthday, beautiful. Enjoy. Oh gosh, I love her so much. Her and her husband are just amazing. All right, so here's the card. It reads, the rule is you get a year older, you look a year older, right? You get a year older, you look a year older. The inside reads, how come you never follow the rules? I don't know, girl. I don't know, Wayne. I don't know, peoples. I don't know. It says, Inky, your friendship means so much to me. I love them. Anyway, so this is a cute card. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so excited. I got some Christmas decorations. All right, I'm acting silly because I got a free gift. All right, so let's see what this is. I'm just going to roll with the punches on this one. Just rip stuff open. Get my trusty scissors first. Rip things open and let you guys know what I have here. So, this first item is lemon though. Lemon body butter. I love lemon. Love, love, love lemon. Love lemon. I'm not even lying. Oh! I'm going to smell like this for the rest of the winter or until I run out. But look how pretty the shimmer is on top. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Super cute. Thank you. I love, love, love this. Not that I'm not going to love everything in here because, what is this, a wax melt? Oh, they know I love copper tone wax melt. I love it all year round. Because it takes me to summertime, even when it's not summertime. I get to smell some copper tone all winter long. Oh, I can't smell it because I can't even smell it, but look how pretty it is. So cute. Thank you so much. Bombshell. This is another scent of hers, or of theirs. I always say hers like I'm talking directly to her, but it is two of them. This is a Bombshell wax melt. And it has shimmer at the bottom. How cute is this soap? Look at this soap. I have no clue what it is. It just looks like a little monster soap. Pull it back. See if you guys can see it. It is so cute. It has a little eyeball at the top. Super cute. All right, I'm just making sure I have the camera set right because these last couple times that I've done it on my face, I've done it all wrong. All right. You know what? I was actually going to order this. This is called the Pharaoh Bath Bomb. Sparkly, sparkly. And this was like a brand new one that I saw on their site. And I was going to order it, but I'm glad you sent it to me because now I can demo it. Okay, I love the soaps and I have a collection of them and I can't bring myself to use them for some reason. I have some that I use it, some that I hoard, and these are adorable. This is the Haunted Fall Fairy Tale Soap. It has a little fairy on the top. Just making sure that I slowly go up and down so you can see it all. Cute, cute. This one is like, it's called Midnight Kiss Soap, and it's got a freaking lip on the top of it. Am I holding the lip right? Yes, I am. And it's beauteous, like all of the other soaps. It's beauteous. I swear, if this video does not turn out right, I'm just going to redo the whole unboxing and pretend I'm surprised at all of it. Because I want to make... This is another one I was going to buy. But I want to make sure that you guys see everything. I was going to purchase this one as well. This is called the Grinch Bath Bomb. Obviously. Super cute. Can't smell it through the wrapping. Oh my gosh. You guys are just too much. Like, for real. I have a Hello Beautiful soap. And what does it have on top? It has a purse. Look. It's got a purse on the top. And on the other side, it's got like a little shoe. Too cute. You guys get to see the shoe? Really super cute. We have a Celebrations soap. Now I get to use it because I have one of these. She had sent me a sample of these, this one, and so I guess I'm going to use a sample. It is a, I guess it's 2020 Celebration. It's got celebration confetti all through it. So cute. Let me bring it up closer. All right. I really hope this video comes out well because I don't want to redo it. This is funny. This one here. It's not funny as in they sent me a comedic bath bomb. It is funny because I just put the demo up for one of the other tombstones on my YouTube channel last night. Here is a tombstone, and it was the exact same colors except it had a gold skull on the top. So if you haven't seen it, look it up. It's a Sin City Soap Tombstone bath demo. This one's super shimmery. Yes! Another little decoration. I love when they give me spoons to pull out my body butters or soaps. This is kind of see-through, so let me just put my hand in front of it. I love these little spoons. Lip balm, cotton candy. This is actually, I had cotton candy, apple. I had a bunch of different lip balms, and I'm all out. This is the cotton candy. I love them. I lay them next to my bed. So before I go to bed, I lather my lips up because I sleep with a fan on. Lips to get all dry, looking like a, I won't even say what I was going to say. But it's not pretty. You don't moisturize your lips before you go to bed and you sleep with a fan blowing on your lips all night. It's nothing but the dryness. All right, what's next? Oh, a black tombstone. Is this black or gray? Ooh, I can smell this one. This one smells good. And so it's got candy crackle all in it. Lovely. Oh my gosh, you guys are too much. Still not done. Thank you. I think I have 2 items left. Are you serious? Are you serious, really, guys? Oh, seriously, I'm about to cry. You guys, when you guys see what I'm about to show you, you're going to be like, why is she going to cry about that? Because I love skulls. And look at this soap dish. And I've never gotten a soap dish from them, other than ones I purchased, as part of a gift package. These are premium to me. I bought soap dishes, I believe, for my son and my daughter. I remember for sure that I bought my daughter one that had like little cannabis leaves on them. And then I bought her like a cannabis soap. And she loved it. And she has the cannabis soap dish displayed in her room. I mean, her bathroom. I'm not sure about my son, what he did with his. But I'm so thankful for that. Thank you so much. I really did not expect anything like that. Oh, and then one of the Coffin bath bombs. This is one of the Halloween Coffin bath bombs. I guess it was supposed to be able to be hung up, but it's coming apart, so I won't mess with that, but I will take it out of the box. And here it is. This is their Halloween Coffin bath bomb. Scented in, I don't know. It just says bubbling bath bomb. But I like the little knife inside, obviously. And I like Coffin bath bombs because they float like nobody's business. All right. Just in case, oh, there's something else in here. There's one of these pop balloons that Layla likes. You just slap down on it and it inflates. All right. So let me put this to the side. I can show you guys everything that I got. Almost knocked the camera down. One last time in case it didn't come through the first time because I've sucked at my camera angles recently. No reason. I mean, I don't know why, but this is the Coffin bath bomb. This is one of the Tombstone bath bombs. We have another Tombstone bath bomb. Scan, scan, scan like I'm going through a scanner. We have the Midnight Kiss soap with the lips. Got them upside down this time. The lips on the end of them. And it's very pretty, as you can see. We have the Pharaoh bath bomb. Shimmery, 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 shimmery. We have the Grinch. We have this amazing, amazing, amazing skull soap dish. I'm really in my feelings about this because it's so freaking nice of them to send me one of their, what I consider to be premium products. This thing is just awesome. It's got actual, looks like little metal, 3D metal skulls embedded in there. And just awesome. All right, then we have the Celebration soap. And this one has the bubbly at the top and the party at the bottom. We have Hello Beautiful, which has a purse on one side, the shoe on the other, and it has a nice little like swirl pattern. We have the Bombshell Melt. We have the Haunted Fall Fairy Tale soap. And look at the little fairy on there. We have, making sure I'm not missing anything over here. No. We have the Copper Tone Wax Melt. We have the little Monster soap. This is so cute. Oh, it's got skulls on either side imprinted. I'm not sure if you guys actually saw that on the first go. It's got a little skull imprint right there. And on the top it has that eyeball. And then the piece de resistance. Well, there are two pieces de resistance. There was this. And then this lemon. Matter of fact, there is nothing better than lemon. Let me tell you, to put on your skin to walk around with. I like grape as well, but the lemon scent on my skin, I love. Yes. Ooh, that smells nice without being super tangy. This is the lemon body butter. I'm about to just whip this all over me. TMI, I'm sure. And we had the lip balm. If you guys didn't know, they have lip balm and it is super good. You know, I wouldn't lie to you. It is super good. What I put next to my bed. A lot of people make lip balms. A lot of people do not make them well. This is done well. And so that is it, other than my amazing cord. Super cute, super thoughtful. I am just undeserving of your generosity every birthday. And I'm touched because you guys are awesome. You guys are my biggest followers on YouTube. You guys comment and like everything I put up, and your products are always amazing, and I really appreciate you guys. So thank you so much for the birthday gift, and I'll talk to you guys on the next unboxing.